switch hosts again.
They're all fucking.
We can't switch hosts.
Yeah, you're not. No.
Fucking yeah.
Okay, well then we're hosting because he cannot connect.
No, you can't host.
Hosting.
You can't connect. You look it up in the rules.
Look it up in the rules. If you can't connect, then you have to cancel a match. Exactly.
You know I'm really bad, dude. Backpicks. You got a nice friend list, dude. It's pretty pro. Wish I was good as you.
Yeah, have a shit connection.
Do you hear them talking?
Our teammate though.
Yeah. Okay, if you can't connect, you don't cancel getting opposed.
White trash ass.
Fucking nigger.
Okay, none of us can connect each other. We're fucking canceling.
Okay, we're definitely not canceling because you kids are obviously shit, and it's easy XP.
Really.
That's Winky talking.
I get to.
I'm done. Not even a 10-to-1 ratio. That's how bad you are, kid. At Black Ops, I'm done.
Okay, well you have 3v3 then. Well you have 3v3. Feel bad you get shit on.
We
Feel
would
bad
if
you
you
get
would
shit on.
have posted a 3v3.
We can cancel. I'll send you a 3v3 challenge. Send you a 3v3 challenge
You're
right
fucking
now.
professional. I'll send you a
Exactly.
challenge whenever you have to wait 12 hours to get your random. What are you talking for? Take that Q out of your name.
You're horrible.
Exactly. Take the Q out of your name, take the space out of your name, you faggot.
This is my second account, and it's like 3 times more known than you. This is 2 times more known than you, and it's my second account. I'm
2
done.
spaces?
What? I'm done. That's all I gotta say.
2 spaces in your name. Oh my god. And your
Fucking
name.
sick, random.
Oh my god. You have that much
How
time in life
how does it
that
make
you
you
have 2
feel?
accounts. You have 2 accounts. You that much
Yeah,
time
and
in
my
life.
multi rank's like
Wow.
5 times lower than you.
Hold on a second, I
That's my
gotta go
second
game
account.
chat real
Like, I'm
quick.
done.
Wow. Wow. Did it show you have a lot of girlfriends?
It's not that hard to put a name.
It's okay, you're
You're
fine.
taking it.
Switch hosts one more time. Hurry the
Okay.
fuck up.
Alright, definitely.
Or it's
kid,
just
can I
gonna be a
go on
no-show.
my Xbox Live account right now, you
You're
fuck.
bad. You're bad.
Go
I know,
switch a
dude.
host.
Fuck you, nigga.
You're
You suck.
bad. Why do
That's
you
all
have
this
a 5
kid
in your
says.
name, dude? Why are you
You
talking?
won't even play. You won't
You
even
have a 5 in your name, dude.
I don't give a fuck.
GL.
Garbage.
You have 2 spaces.
Alright.
Me and Winky was fucking talking mad shit, dude. Oh my god.
Alright, quiet. Listen, no backpacks. How is it that you have 258 losses? I have less than 100 losses than you, and I have like...
The fucking Brandon.
Well, you don't play with
I thought you were your second
friends,
account,
you
huh?
idiot.
I thought you were your second account.
It's not my second account, you're right, dude, definitely.
Fucking
4 kids, your second account.
Yeah, 4 kids, the second account, you fuck. Do I need a wait? You fucking idiot, dude.
You obviously have no life whatsoever. This is your second account.
Thank you.
I hope you know that you're not hosting.
We're not
Alright, well then you might be playing another man down.
Nah, you better be.
You might be playing another man down.
You're not playing man down.
Did you get...
What is wrong with your connection? Reset your
Dude, literally.
They're not
No,
hosting.
it's not my connection. Yeah, it's my connection.
Yeah, it's your connection.
I've reset my router because the time still has an error.
Do you remember?
You can't connect to 4 kids.
3.
They've only sent me 2 of them.
Oh, get in
Yeah,
here.
obviously.
You're nobody.
Obviously.
I've never fucking played you in your fucking my life.
Okay,
Yeah.
Josh.
Everything.
You kids are professionals, dude. I remember one.
Professionals, dude. Professionals, dude. Professionals, dude.
We're not professional.
I have all this recorded.
I got no idea.
You're a fucking clown. You're a
I never see the
clown.
sun.
You fucking suck.
Never see the
Suck
sun.
my cock.
Like, I'm
You're fucking
done.
bad.
Never see the
Yuki,
sun.
shut the fuck
Exactly.
up.
I don't see the sun, thank
Suck
you.
my dick.
We'll get some.
And
My second account is 3 times more known.
So heated right